overwhelmed by local market ups and downs and wondering if there's a way to broaden your investment horizon, and curious about how global opportunities might give your portfolio an important advantage, our financial expert Mr. Ramalingam is with us today to give us some insights on this. So, Mr. Ramalingam, can you enlighten us on this?
When you are investing in India, India is basically an emerging market. So already you have exposure in India and you want to have overseas exposure. I would strongly suggest you to invest in a developed market so that it really has diversification, right? You are investing in emerging market, India, you are investing in US or other developed markets, you can do it. So how much exposure to include? It depends on what you are looking for. Generally, I would suggest 5% to 10% would be your overall exposure in overseas portfolio, because in your US portfolio is basically a developed country. There, the stability will be more. At the same time, volatility and growth will be less because they are already grown up market. It is like a student who is scoring already 90%. India is a student who is scoring 60%. If India puts more efforts and scores 75%, it is 25% appreciation. Whereas in US market, already 90%. From 90 to move to 99, the person has to put hell a lot of effort. But still it's 10% growth. So at the same time, if the exam paper is tough, the 90% guy will still score first class. The 60% guy may fail in the exam. This is what volatility is. Indian market is, if you are comfortable with risk volatility of Indian market and want to have higher return, higher risk premium return, invest more money in equity, which is, I would say, 90% in equity and 5 to 10% in US market, 90% in Indian market. If you are someone who's already there in US and you are investing in US market, you want stable returns, then settling for higher allocation to US market can be beneficial.
Thank you for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. Also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. Link to the webinar is given in the description below, and the webinar is absolutely free. So if you like this video, hit like, and if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.